What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a new part for the Civic. Check it out. Alright, it's coming in crunch time. I gotta get this ready for showbiz. I gotta install a new vent on the clear hood. Then I got something for the back. So let's check out what we got in here. Alright, so actually there's a few things I got. So I got two hood vents. If you didn't see my clear hood install, I did have problems with the clear hood shaking because the air was getting stuck. So I had Kevmannz make me two hood vents, forged carbon and yeah, gold glitter. Very nice. I like it. But so ideally this one looks better, but how am I gonna mount that? If I mount this one easy, I just mount the corners and bolt and nut it. But this one, how do I mount this one? But this one would be so much cooler to do. But we'll save this for another video until I figure that out. But I would like to try to mount this one. So here it is. I got a trunk. So I'm praying this came in good condition. No cracks. No repairs needed. So let's pull it out and let's see what it looks like. Alright, so here's how the packaging comes. We got foam right here to protect it. Foam at the bottom. And we also got wood right here. But still got lucky because the corner was still exposed. I would have covered that more, but the corner looks all right. So let's go ahead and unwrap everything and cross my fingers. Yo, check it out. The shippers have blessed me again. It looks like it came in one piece. I don't see any noticeable damage, but let's take a look at the details. Gold glitter, forged carbon. Yes, this is definitely gonna match my car for sure. But yeah, this is like my third trunk from Kevmannz. So if you guys are iffy about Kevmannz, watch the video. Let's check the fitment of this. Like a lot of you guys want to know, right? So yep, let's install this and let's check the fitment. So first things first, old one needs to get removed. I'm just gonna remove everything. I'm not gonna show this on the video because I'm pretty sure there's thousands of videos of showing this. But unplug everything, tail lights. This comes off. I don't have the rubber stoppers, so I'm not gonna put those on. Yeah, everything just simply comes off, and yeah, clip, bolt, take the taillights off. Camera will fit right in. It does have the hole, so I'll show you that once everything's off. All right, so make sure you do remove everything. This gets unbolted, all the harnesses gets unhooked, the weight does get transferred over, so it helps keep the weight on the trunk. Yeah, everything's pretty much simple. All right, I got the back camera off. Unplug the license plate lights. And yeah, we'll do the license plate later because we got to drill in the carbon. But for now, let's remove everything. Wing's gonna stay on because it's attached to the trunk. But yeah, everything's basically taken apart, and then just this part, the latch. So we're just gonna take out this 10 mil bolts. After that, it removes it, and then you just reroute everything out of that hole. All right, so just unhook this, and yep, just reroute everything out of there. All right, so comes with two hardwares with the wood, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt that. I am gonna use the same hardware just because it's already threaded for this specific hardware. Even though it's the same, I'm gonna just still use the same one. But yeah, let's take this off and let's get this test fitted on. So I'm just putting the latch on. It looks like they kind of messed up and covered one of the mounting holes. So I may need to drill another one for this one. It's kind of weird because they kind of like put the Kevmannz tag in the way. So I don't know how that's gonna look. show you guys real quick. We got one bolt in right here, but this tag is blocking, so I'm not sure if they made a thread in there or not. So, but if you kind of look at it, not sure if it's gonna line up. So we're just gonna look at that later, but let's just put all the taillights in. Already put the antenna in right there, and yeah, let's just plug everything in first. I got the weight back in right there, and let's put in the camera and all that. I think they changed the mold a little bit from the last time I had it, so actually this doesn't fit. I need to shave it a little bit bigger so this bolt could go in. All right, guys, so it is latched. I didn't adjust any of the bolts right here, but let's already look at the fitment. The fitment was pretty good, so I don't think I'm gonna touch it at all, honestly. Same right here. So for you to adjust the adjustment on like say hoods, trunks, the two bolts right here, you always want to like loosen them and then shift it over left or right, up and down, whatever you need to do to make the fitment as good as possible. So when that happens, you actually tighten it when you shift it over. So you tighten it and then recheck the fitment. So here's how it looks. Looks so good. Let's get a closer look of this beauty. Okay, so everything fit perfectly. Everything's in here. You see the two lights. There is an extra hole right here. I think it's because the 2014, 2015 have a button right here, but my 2013 doesn't. So yeah, everything pretty much looks pretty good. Tail lights are just slightly off, but as far as fitment wise, yeah, the fitment looks good. That one bolt seems to have held it in there. So since I tightened that pretty tight, it did hold it together, so it doesn't look like it's gonna come loose. So another thing, make sure you have someone hold the trunk, because this could fly open fast. So if you do it from the inside, if you unlatch it from the inside, have someone hold the trunk so it doesn't fly open, because carbon fiber is lighter than the OEM trunk. But yeah, here it is. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next episodes. Yeah, I got a lot more surprises coming up soon. I gotta get this on the road. This has been sitting here for months. But dude, that trunk looks super awesome. What do you guys think? So yeah, this is a Kevmannz carbon fiber duckbill trunk. If you do need Kevmannz parts, don't forget to hit me up on social media. I am a retailer. And as you can see, no lie, the fitment on this trunk is so good. So simple install. That's that. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys aren't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like if you like this video. If this helped you out to figure out if Kevmannz is good or not, drop down some comments. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. I'm out.